Hello, how y'all doing? It's time for a diecast flashback. And this time we have a Dinky toy, Thunderbolt Speed Car. Dinky produced this from 1938 to 1940. This is an actual car, a land speed record car. It's pretty cool, got the tin base. I'm going to do a sympathetic restoration on this. This one is green. They made another one that had black. So I'm just going to freshen it up. This is one of these should I or shouldn't I restore. And the eyes want it. So I'm going to do it. I also have the Union Jack flag. It goes on the fin back here. That'll look good. I wanted to show you, I collect tobacco cards. And this is an album of Will's cigarettes from 1938. And in this, it was a set of 50 cards, and it was transportation. And there's airplanes and cars, speed cars, motorcycles, speedboats, ocean liners. There's the Queen Mary. It's pretty cool. This came out in 1938. There's 50 cards in the set. This is the whole set. They even got trains. Those are cool. Look at the artwork on that. Isn't that cool? Well, there was actually a card of this car. Here it is. Thunderbolt, Captain G.E.T. Easton. And there's back, if you want to pause it and read that about it. This was number 15 out of 50. So I've cracked this one open. Let's see. Two posts. It's got the wheels that are set in the slots, so no painting over. They just fit in there and they come right out. And you know what? These tires are really in pretty good shape. And if I can get them soft enough, I believe I will reuse those. And there's the base, tin base. It's in good shape. There's underneath. Solid casting. Pretty cool one. Well, I hope y'all stay around to the end and see how it turns out. So let's get started. Okay, it's assembly time. Let's check it out. Whoop. Let's not tear it up. There she is. Repainted silver. Sympathetic restoration. Tried to get as many scratches and little dents and things out of it, but all the character lines, or casting lines, I left those. There's the flag. There's the inside. Just a pretty simple thing, kind of like a Tootsie toy without a bottom. So I was also able to, I didn't even need to paint the hubs. I just washed them and polished them a little bit, and I was able to save the tires. One, I couldn't, but I had some spares. In this game, you never throw anything away. So let's get them in there. Tires first. I don't think it really matters where you do it. And then they fit in the little slots right here, there and there. Same on the front. It's pretty cool the way they made these things. Let's get the other one in. All right. Separate the wheels. There's the base. Okay. And my screws. Where are you? Here you are. Now I've got a little clip I want to show you. I'm going to add after you see me put this together. There's a little clip footage that I found of the actual car, this car, and from 1938. It's a YouTube video I found, and it's about this. It's pretty cool. It shows the actual car racing at Bonneville. So after, like I say, after this, check it out. It just lasts about, I don't know, 40 seconds or something, but it's really neat. Okay. Let's see what we got. Good roller. Alrighty, well, I hope you enjoy the video. Let me tell me what you think about it. I'd like to hear from you in the comment section, as always. Don't forget, if you enjoyed this video, to like it. And if you like to see more, subscribe. Doesn't cost a thing. I thank everybody for watching, and I'll see you next time with another diecast flashback. Now that's a flashback. Have a good one.